In this video, we will explore how to view your project's history using Git. Specifically, we'll focus on using the git log command to explore commit history. Understanding how to navigate and interpret your project's history is crucial for collaboration, debugging, and overall project management. The git log command is your primary tool for viewing the commit history of your repository. It displays commits in reverse chronological order, meaning the most recent commits appear first. For each commit, it shows the author, date, commit message, and a unique secure hash algorithm 1#. This hash serves as a unique identifier for that specific commit. Here's an example. When you run git log in your terminal, you'll see output similar to this. Each commit is listed with its hash, author information, date, and the commit message. The commit message provides a brief description of the changes made in that commit. The git log command comes with several options that allow you to customize the output and filter the commit history. Let's explore some of the most commonly used options. First, let's see limiting output. Use git log with the option, and followed by a number, such as 5, to show only the last 5 commits. To view commits within a specific time frame, use git log with the option, since followed by a time period like 2 weeks. Next up, formatting output. To display each commit on a single line, use git log with the option, 1 line. You can show statistics for files modified in each commit by using the stat option. Filtering commits. You can filter commits by author using git log with the option, author followed by the author's name. To search for commits with specific keywords in the commit message, use git log with the option, grep, followed by the keyword. Finally, visualizing history. For an ASCII graph of branch and merge history, use git log with the option, graph. To show all references like branches and tags in the log, combine the all and decorate options. The one-line option provides a more compact view of the commit history. It shows an abbreviated commit hash and only the first line of the commit message, making it perfect for a quick overview. It's often combined with other options like graph and decorate for enhanced readability. Let's see an example. Using just git log, one line will give you a simplified list of commits with their abbreviated hashes and first-line messages. When combined with decorate, as in git log, one line decorate, it also shows branch names and tags, providing even more context in a compact format. The graph option is incredibly useful for visualizing the commit history, especially when working with branches and merges. It shows branching and merging points in a visual format, helping you understand the project's history flow. This option is best used with one line and all. A common combination is git log, graph, one line, all, decorate. Let's see how it looks. The graph visually represents the branches and merges. Each commit is shown on a single line with its abbreviated hash and message, and branches are indicated with the graph. The decorate option adds branch names and tags for better context. The stat option provides file statistics for each commit, showing which files were modified and the number of lines added or removed. This is useful for understanding the scope of changes in each commit and identifying which files have changed the most. Let's look at an example. The stat output shows the files modified in the commit, along with the number of insertions and deletions. This gives you a quick overview of the impact of each commit on the codebase. The P or patch option shows the actual code changes, or the patch, in each commit. It displays line-by-line differences, with plus and minus signs indicating additions and deletions. This option is invaluable for code reviews and understanding the specific changes made in a commit. Let's see an example. The patch output shows the exact lines added or removed in each file. This level of detail is crucial for understanding the nature and impact of each change. Filtering options allow you to narrow down the commit history based on specific criteria. Let's explore some useful filtering techniques. By author. Use git log with the option author followed by the author's name to see commits by specific authors. For example, author equals John shows commits by authors with John in their name. By date range. You can specify a date range using the since and until options. For instance, since equals 2023-09-01, until equals 2023-10-15, shows commits between September 1st and October 15th, 2023. You can also use relative dates like 2 weeks or 1 month ago. By commit message. To find commits with specific keywords in the message, use the grep option. The command grep equals fix shows commits with messages containing fix. Adding I makes the search case insensitive. By file or path. You can filter commits that modified specific files or directories by specifying the file path. For example, src/components/ shows commits that modified files in the source/components directory. Or, readme.md shows commits that modified the readme file. To make the most of the git log command, here are some best practices to keep in mind. Use one line for quick overviews. Add graph when working with branches. Limit the output with n when dealing with large histories. Utilize author to find your own commits. Combine filters to narrow down results effectively. Create aliases for frequently used commands to save time and effort. Now let's see useful git aliases. Git aliases allow you to create shortcuts for frequently used commands. For example, you can define lg as log, one-line decorate, or lgd as log graph, one-line decorate. These aliases can be added to your .git config file. To use these aliases, simply type git followed by the alias name. For example, git lg or git lga. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.